I want to ask my ancestors to go to the elements, earth, air, fire, and water, and speak for all of us, for this beautiful community. And as we face east, we give much thanks for this beautiful day, the green and growing trees, for all the grass, the skies, the sun, the beauty. And for each one of you, we are truly related. This is a community. This is a place for you. I want you to know it was created for you. And I want you to know you're always welcome. And we're looking forward to seeing you here again because we are all one tribe, Ahoma Takwiasan.
I'm curious if anybody's lost anybody. Raise your hand if you've lost a friend.
They said, raise your hand if you have lost somebody dear to you. And I was thinking about not raising my hand, but I did. And I was looking around and seeing a lot of people who were in the same situation as I was. It makes me happy to know I'm not so alone. That really almost made me cry a little bit, you know?
Then he said something about like how you know losing them makes you feel like deep down inside, and like closed my eyes and everything, and I just thought, and that really got to me kind of. So
I think the last time I cried was like when I was 8. My dad says he's a tough dude. His dad wasn't there for him. He told me, don't cry because you're a man, be tough.
Creo que lo que más me voy a acordar es la última actividad que hicimos con el señor que estaba preguntándonos preguntas. Me hizo entrar en más confianza y creo que me abrió a un lugar donde me puedo sentir cómoda.
I believe that I belong to the earth. To the earth. I belong.
Al principio sí estaba nerviosa porque no conocía, es mi primera vez, pero me encantó.
I saw some kids today who before wouldn't have admitted that they don't have somebody to talk to or that they feel lonely, and I think it was great having this place for them to do that. I think it's a big step forward.
It's a pleasure to hold space for their transformation, for them to grow and know themselves, that nature can support us, that we have a right and a responsibility to be in relationship with nature. It's not for some other folks out there, it's for each and every one of us.
We had so much breakthrough, I would say, with experience on the creek, you know, from walking barefoot to taking off your shoes to taking off your socks and allowing yourself to hold on to a stranger so you can cross. I can hold her shoes.
She got you. Where's my shirt?
seeing, all this nature and all the children just being free, playing outside. That's something that so many children don't get anymore.
I could tell that they understood coming onto this land that they were in a safe space. You could physically feel it.
They really started to see that this could possibly be something that they could come back to, that felt like it was something similar to coming home.
It was really nice to see how many people really do care for the youth and like other people who are struggling with drug usage and foster care, stuff like that. People recognizing me after not being here for like a good year. So it was really nice.
I guess we were all just like kind of connected today. It was a really good day. But like I genuinely just think it's just like good for you to go outside and stuff. So I just feel like that's something everybody should do.
Really made me laugh today. It made me have fun. I really like that.
Would this be something that you'd want to do again?
Absolutely. I love it here. Yes.
Hour of the night, and I call on my ancestors to my left and my right to walk with me, to walk with me. I walk in the spirit, I walk in the light, I walk through the darkest hour of the night, and I call on my ancestors to my left and my right to walk with me, to walk with me, to walk with me, to walk with me.
That was a funky song. That was a funky song.
Maggie Wheeler.
That was good. Hey, y'all did a great job with the music.